Hi, I'd like to nominate my amazing team at York CVS for the Heart of the Community Award for the fantastic work they did during the first lockdown and continue to do so now during the second lockdown. So here are some of the team to tell you about what they did, from delivering basics such as food, medicine and organising welfare calls, to delivering some more luxury items such as flowers and chocolate to raise the spirits of the people they were supporting.
Due to York CVS's relationship with primary care, we were able to have access to lists of individuals who are seen as extremely vulnerable. This was people living with a dementia diagnosis, carers or people off frailty lists. It allowed us to reach out proactively to people to ensure they had everything they needed to stay safe and well during the first lockdown.
We were asked by the CCG to provide a monitoring service for people with the symptoms of COVID. Over 350 people received calls from a small team of volunteers who were checking in on their health, well-being and basic needs. We also provided over 220 isolated and vulnerable people with ongoing weekly welfare calls. These were also provided by a small team of volunteers who ensured that the people had food, medication and someone to talk to.
Alongside the welfare calls, we worked with the York Youth Justice System team, asking the young people to create wellbeing cards. We then delivered them to the people most isolated across the city, bringing generations and communities together.
By reaching out proactively, we were able to provide food parcels and prescriptions to people who may not otherwise have asked for help or were not aware of what other services were available to them.
We wanted to say a massive thank you to our volunteers and to show how much we appreciated them. We arranged for chocolates from York Chocolate Story and flowers from Flower Power to be donated. We then delivered them across York to our volunteers. We couldn't have done all of the hard work we did without them.
We set up the York Small Charities Fund as a direct result of the VCSE Sector Resilience Survey, which found that 2 in 5 organisations were going to struggle past October 2020. We managed to raise £26,000 in public donations with our Keep the Lights On fundraising campaign, which was match funded, and we were able to fund 12 organisations up to £5,000 each to help people in crisis during the pandemic and to give them the breathing space to be able to continue past 2020.
We started the #York Light Up Lockdown campaign to bring sparkle, community spirit and to make people feel like they're not alone during lockdown. We are doing this by sending decorated jam jars that light up and have messages of hope attached to people around York. We are also sending craft packs out to help give people something to do and to help battle loneliness and isolation. We understand winter and dark nights can be a tough time, especially during lockdown.
So hopefully from what you've seen and heard, you can understand why I'm so proud of what the team did during COVID and why I think they really deserve this Heart of the Community Award.